bitter day today. What we've got, Anna, really is a lazy wind. Instead of blowing around you, it blows straight through you and it feels very cold. It's going to stay cold really through the rest of the week, but the strong winds that we've got at the moment gradually ease down so that by the end of the week it shouldn't feel quite as cold as it does at the moment. But if you're out and about, wrap up well today, particularly across southern areas where those temperatures are really struggling to get much above freezing. And when you add on the effect of the wind, well, it feels more like -10 degrees in London and in Norwich, colder than it was yesterday. Not only do we have the cold winds, we've also seen a little bit of snow today, nothing too much, across parts of southern England and South Wales. Main focus of that, I think, is across the southwest of England, where there could be a slight covering over the hills, and the risk continues across these southern parts through tonight and into tomorrow. So a real wintry flavour across southern areas today. As you head further north, it's brighter. We have some more broken clouds, some sunshine. Always more cloud though across the eastern side of Scotland, and the winds are blowing in. Still one or two showers. They're even feeding their way through the central lowlands. So a cold day today, a cold night tonight as well. There'll be a widespread frost, but not quite so cold here in the south. But we're going to keep a lot of cloud in the south with some more wintry weather, probably turning to rain along the south coast and also into Cornwall. Move further inland, some sleet and snow for South Wales, edging up towards Gloucestershire and Wiltshire, and even a few icy patches too. For tomorrow, not an awful lot changes really. Still a lot of cloud across southern parts of England and Wales, through the Midlands as well, and East Anglia. We may well find that wintry weather just edging northward through Wales in towards parts of the Midlands, and the rain this time across the far southwest turning steadier and heavier. So a lot of cloud in the south, very windy too, but move further north, it'll be brighter, some sunshine, still that cloud for eastern parts of Scotland. But for northern areas, the winds aren't quite as strong. Still windy in the south, and where those temperatures really struggle to 2 or 3 degrees, it's going to feel particularly cold with a significant wind chill, -6 or -7, so perhaps not quite as cold as it is today. Now we've got an area of low pressure in the south that's spinning that cloud towards the north, bringing that wetter weather in the south. It's bumping into the cold air wrapped around the high pressure that's been with us for a time. It's that that's giving us that risk of sleet and snow, and that may well drift its way just a little further north during Thursday as temperatures start to rise in the south. But then that wetter, wintry weather starts to fade away a little as we move into Friday, so that by the end of the week, most of us should be dry and it should be less windy. That's it.